A computer is an electronic device. It processes data through a central processing unit, CPU. Input devices like keyboards and mice provide user interaction. Output devices such as monitors display information. Storage devices like hard drives and SSDs store data. Operating systems manage computer resources and software. Software includes applications and system programs. Computers use binary code, zeros and ones, for processing. RAM, random access memory, stores data for quick access. Computers connect to networks for internet access. They come in various forms: desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. Computers have revolutionized communication, work, and entertainment.